Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your devices in part of the Netflix household for this account. So guys, if you're trying to access your Netflix but you're facing this issue, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, basically I have searched this article on Netflix Help Center. So guys, here you can see this. If Netflix says your device isn't part of the Netflix household for this account, this message means Netflix wasn't able to associate your device with your Netflix household. And if you tap on Netflix household, you can also see what the Netflix household is. A Netflix household is a collection of devices connected to the internet at the main place you watch Netflix. So guys, basically if your device is not associated with your Netflix household, you will see this message again and again. So guys, basically you can also watch temporarily if you are not associated with your Netflix household. So guys, here you can see all the methods which you can follow to watch Netflix temporarily. So guys, here you can see this. To verify your mobile or portable device, you have to simply follow these methods. So guys, here you can see this. So guys, you have to simply follow this method and you will be able to watch Netflix by following this method on your device. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.